This isn't limited to football either. You may remember another tragic event in 2006 when a Vanderbilt basketball player, Davis Nwankwo, suffered cardiac arrest during a practice session. He was revived by athletic trainer Mike Meyer.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.